What if you could see the world exactly as a hawk, a mantis shrimp, or a deep-sea fish does? From soaring skies to abyssal darkness, each breakthrough brings us closer, and number one will blow your mind. Stay till the end. Imagine soaring over cliffs with a camera that mirrors a bird's ultra-wide field of view. Engineers have equipped lightweight drones with fisheye lenses and rapid gimbal adjustments that emulate the rapid head turns of raptors. The system stitches together a seamless 270-degree panorama, allowing viewers to experience the dizzying breadth of a hawk's scan. By integrating lightweight gyroscopes and AI-driven stabilization, the footage remains smooth even in gusty conditions, preserving the crisp detail of distant terrain. Reportedly, pilots can now capture hunting dives in real time, giving researchers unprecedented data on flight dynamics. Up next, Rank 9 pushes the boundaries beneath the waves.
Gliding beneath the ocean surface, a new lens captures light the way a mantis shrimp perceives it. This sensor records 12 spectral channels, including ultraviolet and polarized light, far beyond the human three-cone eye. Researchers built the device using layered nanophotonic filters that separate wavelengths with astonishing precision, revealing hidden patterns on coral and prey. The resulting footage displays vibrant hues and polarization cues that marine biologists use to decode communication among reef inhabitants. Some studies suggest this technology could improve underwater navigation for autonomous vehicles. Stay tuned for Rank 8, where darkness becomes a playground for night vision pioneers.
Hidden in the shadows of night, infrared sensors emulate the vision of a cat stalking its prey. By mimicking the tapetum lucidum, the reflective layer behind a feline's retina, engineers have created cameras that amplify low-light photons, delivering bright, detailed images in near-total darkness. The sensors combine microstructured mirrors with cooled detectors, producing footage that reveals the subtle movements of nocturnal wildlife without disturbance. According to researchers, this technology also enhances security and autonomous navigation in low-light environments. Next up, Rank 7 reveals a Beetle-level secret that uncovers ultraviolet worlds.
Surprisingly, a tiny Beetle-inspired microcamera can see ultraviolet patterns invisible to humans. The device, no larger than a grain of sand, incorporates a UV-sensitive photodiode array and a miniature lens modeled after the beetle's compound eye. When mounted on pollinators, it records the floral guides that guide insects to nectar, shedding light on plant-insect coevolution. The footage reveals intricate UV markings on petals, helping botanists understand pollination strategies. Moreover, the camera's low power consumption enables long-term field studies. Up next, Rank 6 dives deep into the tubular eyes of a deep-sea fish for tight space imaging.
Few people know that a deep-sea fish's tubular eyes have inspired a cylindrical camera for tight spaces. The design features a long, narrow optical tube that captures a focused field of view, mimicking the fish's ability to spot bioluminescent prey in the abyss. Engineers integrated a high-sensitivity sensor at the tube's end, allowing the camera to operate in near-total darkness while maintaining sharp resolution. This setup proves valuable for inspecting pipelines, caves, and other confined environments where traditional lenses falter. Researchers estimate that the device can detect objects as small as a few millimeters from several meters away. Coming up, Rank 5 explores how a mole's vibration sense translates into a ground-penetrating scanner.
Beneath the forest floor, a root-penetrating scanner mimics the way a mole senses vibrations. Using an array of low-frequency acoustic emitters and receivers, the system detects subtle density changes in soil, revealing hidden root networks and underground water channels. The technology, inspired by the mole's highly sensitive tactile hairs, provides a non-invasive view of subterranean ecosystems, aiding ecologists and agricultural planners. Early field trials report that the scanner can map root structures up to a meter deep with centimeter-scale accuracy. This breakthrough also holds promise for archaeological surveys. Next, Rank 4 showcases Dragonfly-level motion capture with a multi-lens array.
Inspired by the compound eyes of dragonflies, a multi-lens array captures motion at a staggering 1,000 frames per second. Each microlens operates like an individual armatidium, collectively providing a panoramic, high-speed view of fast-moving subjects such as hummingbirds or projectile impacts. The system's AI-driven stitching algorithm merges the streams into ultra-smooth slow-motion footage, revealing details previously invisible to the naked eye. Researchers report that this technology could revolutionize biomechanics research and high-speed industrial inspections. Up next, Rank 3 delves into a Mantis shrimp-based sensor that records polarized light in 10,000 colors.
Capturing the world in 10,000 colors, a Mantis shrimp-based sensor records polarized light like never before. The device utilizes a mosaic of micropolarizers aligned with photodetectors, reproducing the shrimp's ability to discern both color and light orientation. When deployed underwater, it reveals hidden contrast in coral reefs, showing how predators and prey communicate through polarized signals. Scientists believe this insight could improve marine conservation strategies and inspire new displays for augmented reality. Moreover, the sensor's compact design makes it suitable for drones and handheld devices. Stay tuned for Rank 2, where hawk-level precision takes zoom to new heights.
Almost as precise as a hawk's eyesight, a high-resolution zoom lens tracks prey from miles away. By combining adaptive optics, a variable aperture system, and AI-enhanced image stabilization, the lens maintains razor-sharp focus across a 200 times optical zoom range. Field tests indicate that the system can resolve details as small as a coin at distances exceeding 2 kilometers, mirroring the raptor's ability to spot movement on the ground while soaring high. This technology is already aiding wildlife documentaries and remote surveillance. Up next, Rank 1 reveals the ultimate fusion of biology and virtual reality that puts us directly into a raven's perspective.
Finally, the ultimate breakthrough fuses bioengineered retinal chips with virtual reality, letting us experience a world exactly as a raven sees. Researchers cultured retinal cells from avian models onto flexible silicon substrates, creating a living sensor that captures a 360-degree field of view and exceptional motion detection. The chip streams data to a VR headset, translating the raven's visual processing into an immersive experience for humans. Early demos report that users perceive depth, contrast, and motion cues far beyond conventional displays, offering a profound sense of aerial freedom. This convergence of biology, optics, and digital immersion promises new horizons for education, training, and empathy toward wildlife.
We've journeyed from bird-inspired stabilizers to a full-on retinal chip VR that places us inside a raven's view, each step unveiling how engineers translate animal senses into human tech. If you love discovering the science behind tomorrow's gadgets, hit subscribe so you never miss a new mind-blowing list every week. Which of these animal vision cameras fascinated you most? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and keep your eyes open for the next wonder.